Press the cover release lever to open the paper cover. Using tweezers, release the levers and move them to the vertical position. Lift the platen roller upward and remove it. Hold the left and right levers of the platen roller and attach it to the printer. Tilt the levers toward the rear of the printer. Check the operation. Connect AC adapter cable connector to the power connector. Connect the AC power cord to the AC inlet, and insert the plug into an electric outlet. Open the paper cover and load paper. Turn on the power while pressing the feed key to perform test print. Check the operation.